Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's topic Shaker traveled 154.5 kilometers in 5 hours with uniform speed on his bike. How much distance does he travel in 1 hour? First, see the solution. Given that what they given, the distance traveled by Shaker in 5 hours is how many kilometers? 154.5 kilometers. Then you find the distance traveled by 1 hour. 1 hour distance you find out. How many kilometers? See here, we know that 5 hours travel distance is 154.5 kilometers. So 154.5 kilometers is divided by 5. How many times? 5 is cancelled in 154.5 is 30.9 kilometers. So the distance traveled by 1 hour is 30.9 kilometers. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.